Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech HD. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Windows 11 ISO file. So let's start the video. First of all, we need to open a browser. Now type Windows 11 ISO file download. Now we have to open the first website, which is Microsoft website. So we have to open it. From here, we need to download a tool, Media Creation Tool, the second one. So we have to download it. So to click download now. So after downloading it, we have to open it. Now from here it will show getting a few things ready. So we have to wait for some time. After that we have to accept it and we have to wait for some time. Then here you will see there is option select language and edition. So we can custom it with untick this. We can select any language, but we'll not custom it. We'll keep it as it is. Then we will click next. Now from here we have to click on ISO file. Now we have to click next. Now you have to select the location where we want to save the file. So I will make a folder on desktop which will be Windows 11 ISO file. So let's create a folder Windows 11 ISO file, and then we have to click open. Then we have to save it. Now the download has started, so we have to wait until the download finished. So let's wait for some time. So as you can see, the download has successfully finished. Now it is verifying our download. So it will take some time. We have to wait for some time. Now it is creating the Windows 11 media file, ISO file. So it will process for some time. So let's wait for some time for processing it. So as you can see, we have just finished the process. Now here we have to click finish. So we have successfully downloaded the ISO file. So let's see. Here you can see Windows 11 ISO file has successfully downloaded. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.